But a really important thing, a big mistake that a lot of content creators make on YouTube is when it gets to the end of the video or near the end of the video, they'll say things like, and that is how you that's how you thread a fishing hook, or
Oh,
that's how you do XYZ. And when they do that, that immediately tells the viewer that what they came in for is over. And in almost all cases, if you look in your audience retention reports, if you do that sort of thing, you're going to notice a big drop in your audience retention because you've basically told people that, hey, the video is finished. So what you want to do is when your video is coming to an end, you want to drop your end screen on them. When you're doing you're using any type of finalizing language in your video, that's how you do this, or, hey, by the way, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, those types of things. You want to make sure that you do that while there's in-screen elements on the screen, clickable in-screen elements, and you can add these in your Creator Studio for those of you that don't know. But basically, you want those clickable in-screen elements so that they have more of your content that they can click into, as they're like, oh, the video's over. Then you have these other options. And a way to level that up is once you do get to that in-screen part, drop the end screen on them. And instead of talking about a whole bunch of other things that they're not going to stick around for, just simply say, think about the topic that they came in for, and think about the other content that you have on your channel that would be a great fit for them, and tell them, hey, you watch this video because of this. I have another video that you would enjoy based on, whatever the topic is. And you can click into that right here and literally tell them, like, this is basically the video that you want to watch next. Click into this right now. And the idea with that is that you're trying to keep people from leaving your video before you have the opportunity for them to click on more of your content from your end screen. And in addition to that, when you do lead people into it, just think of it from a sales perspective, right? So the idea is they essentially came into your store, they bought from you by watching your video. So what you're trying to do is upsell them, essentially.
right.
So basically you get them to the end of your video and you think to yourself, okay, the person that's coming in and watching this, what would be a logical next step for them? Something that they, based on this topic that they would really enjoy. And that's what you link to, and that's what you recommend that they watch once you get to the end of the video.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.